Hello, this is Solomon. I'm here to explain about my fifth experiment of web technology. So first let us see the output of the web technology, how this looks. So this is my fifth experiment output of web technology. Here we have string, here we have body mass index calculation, here we have fruit form and currency converter, coin flip and birthday cake. So I'll explain what all this. So here if I enter string, if the both strings are equal or not, so I'll give two words. So both the words is of equal string or not. So let's check. So how this is gonna be done. So I'll give you as Solomon is one name and Karunya is one name. So let us see. You type a word with same string length. So Solomon is having the same string length as a Karunya. So I'll remove a in Karunya and let's see. So you can see here Karunya is shorter word and Solomon is longer word. So this is how this string matching is done. And now let's go to body mass index. So we have body mass index and we can use the help of this panel. So when we click here, it will go to body mass index. So you can see here, if you give us weight as 70, if we give you a height as 189. So let's see what is our body. So your body is underweight. So if I give it as 80, so even it is underweight. So this is in meters. So this is not in feet, so we need to convert meters into feet, feet into meters, and we need to display. So let's go to fruit form. So I'll enter row is 5, and column is 7. Now okay, I'll show you the output of this fruit form. Now let's go for the converter. So this Rupee converter, this converts the currency from USA to India, means dollars to rupees. So choose a currency which you have to convert from which currency. Choose a currency to convert. Okay. So we have chosen rupees here, $2. So we give 75 rupees. It will be converted $0.95. So I think now it is 79 is $1, maybe, yeah, almost 78, 79 is $1. You can see here it is converting. So now let's go for head or tail. So this is a random taking head or tail. So when I click flip, if it takes the head value, it will give the value in 1 in head, and if I see, it's keep on changing. So now it came to the tail. So in this way this goes on. Now we need to order the cake. So ordering of a cake, so or pizza. So here we have given as birthday cake. So ordering a pizza, we can change it. So you can see order cake. So if you want a half kg, you can order here. If you want 1 kg, you can order here. So you need to enter the quantity. So I want a half kg 1 kg 2, and a 2 kg 1. So if I order this, tip, whatever the tip you want to give for the people, so 10%, 5%, 20%. After adding this, you will getting the cost of the order. So it's 1116 rupees. So this is the cost of the order of half kg 1 cake, 1 kg 2 cake, and 2 kgs 1 cake. So this is how this is going to be done. Calculation, a very small calculation. Let us see the code. So this is my code in HTML and a few internal CSS. inline CSS and a few things. So I'll explain them. So you know all the basic things, starting things, how you need to done. So this is internal CSS here. So let's go directly to the main content of a head, body. So here we have body. So we have separated this first 5 things. So this area in the list. So this is unordered list items are these things. So what will be given here are the list items. So we have kept this in one division class, that is navigation bar, and this navigation bar we have kept in session 2. So after this is getting finished, we need to change that navigation bar. So width is 100%, so that will be taken 100%. If I that will be taken 100% value here. Now we are using navigation bar unordered list. So list type is 0, margin is 0, padding is 0, overflow hidden. So if anything is overflowing the content, this will be hidden. So background is gray, so you can see the gray color here. Now navigation bar list items, which is width is auto and float on left. So this will be completely floating on left. If I give right here, it will change to right. So you can see here the ordered list items came to the right. So let us keep it as left itself. Yeah, so now it will be on left. So now navigation bar list items, how this came in the straight way. So first we have displays flex. Yeah, okay, navigation list items is equal to a display flex. So align items in center, so the content what we have will be in the center. Now color is white, so the text color is white. So text align center, and the padding is 14 into 16. So text decoration is none. Now we have navigation list order hover. This is an effect what we are getting here. So when I move my cursor onto anything like BMI, it turns into black. So this effect is done by hover. So this background color is black. Now we'll go to the next part. Yeah, now we have enter the string. So here it is in a up container. So this up container is in subclass of string, and this is a subclass of string. So label is equals to enter a string, so we need to enter a string here. So input type is equals to box. So whatever we give input type is equals to box. Placeholder, so kindly enter more than 2 letters. So placeholder is nothing but we'll be getting a lightish shade here. So this is the effect of placeholder. Now button equal to submit. So now when we submit, this data need to be calculated. So that is done by on click. So on click is equals to gets. So this gets makes the function to calculate the value of this. So in that we have id is equals to p. So script function gets. So from here we get the function, and here we calculate. So var equal to n equal to dot get element by id. So this is also predefined function which uses the to get the value from the text box. So you can see here we need to split the two different so I have shown in the previous, I have shown before. So we need to give two words, so which need to be splitted and calculated. So the splitted one will be stored in L, that is var equal to L of array of 0, and second word will be stored in var of S. So these two need to be checked the length. So for let I is equals to 1, I is less than array dot length and I plus plus. So it will check each case and update the I, and at last it will check the condition of if both the strings are equal or not. So here it is done. So if lengths are equal, then print you typed a same length, so else you type which is shorter and which is longer here. So after this we have body mass index. So body mass index is nothing but we have a formula. We need to keep the formula here. So here is a formula: body mass index equal to weight divided by height into height. So this is the formula, and these all things we know how to do, how to arrange the things, and the text box, and this button, and this coloring is done by CSS. So it's a basic CSS. So now let's go to currency conversion. So if we come to currency conversion, yeah, it's nothing but $1 is equals to 77 or 78. So if a person gives $77, it need to be given as 1. So if a person gives $1, then he need to represent it as 77 rupees. So that is done here in the calculation. And then let's go to head or tails. So when we go to head or tails, when we flip that, it takes randomly a values. So that is done by here source. So head or tail. So from source, if you go to this website, this is equals to height and width, and this is a coin. So button ID is flip. So when we press flip, it randomly takes the value to head or tail. So this is done by here. And finally we have order cake. So it's nothing but whatever the data is given here in the text box, that need to be taken and calculate with the default amount what is there for 1.5 kg or half kg and 1 kg. So we predefined a number for the 1 kg, half kg and 2 kgs. So the quantity is multiplied with the number of cakes. So that is done here. So label equal to input, type equal to radio, so value equal to 10. So that is done by here. So I hope you understood. That's all in this video. Thank you everyone.